hospital wait times killing patient satisfaction. Smart agents reduce delays by 25%. In today's fast-paced world, inefficiency isn't just frustrating, it's expensive. Introducing Mathesis Labs' Agentic Foundry, where intelligent automation transforms how businesses operate. Our fleet of intelligent agents doesn't just process data, they optimize entire workflows. In manufacturing, they reduce production time by 30%. Engineering teams cut design time by 40% while increasing accuracy. Financial operations process transactions 50% faster, driving 15% more revenue. Legal teams review documents 30% faster, with 20% better contract closure rates. How does it work? These agents analyze your business processes, identify inefficiencies, and automate tasks, all while continuously learning and improving. Ready to transform your business? Contact Mathesis Labs today and discover what intelligent automation can do for you.